is Cleo, and I'm from France, and I went to Asia, but how did I get there? Well, let me sum up a bit. I promise I'll be quick.
Oh, and I'm traveling with my yeah, and my mother's-in-law.
First stop, Toulouse. So in Toulouse, we relaxed a lot. We even saw the tour of France where I dived. Like, my rent was due and I stole a grandpa multiple times to have goodies. Would I do it again? Yes. Anyway, we ate food. We're just fat ass. Big bags. I mean, look at what we ate. Next stop, Montpellier. I just broke my knee, so it's not really interesting. I didn't do much. But we came here for my mother's-in-law. So we are going to the next stop and final stop for France, which is Nice. We finally arrived at the airport. We wrapped my suitcase, yelled at Alexis, and then ate. And after that, it was time for our first flight. The flight was actually a stopover to Poland. Just before landing, the staff told us to sit down and turn off our phone, like no camera, no nothing. And so I was like, okay, mind you, it was the first time in a long time that I took the plane. So I was just like, okay, well, maybe it's just like that. But then 3 masked men from the Polish army was on the plane, and they literally walked just in front of us. And I was like, what the fuck? What did I do? What? And then they proceeded to just arrest the man behind us, like the seat behind us. It was so crazy. Oh gosh. But after that, I was so tired. So we are at the hotel, and this is where we are sleeping tonight. So when we enter, we have this, an iron, then we have our stuff, and just right there, there's the bathroom. They just let us some products. Even the hand soap here, right there. Then we have here some little stuff for us to just have a nice time, like tea and stuff with sugar, a big TV, and it's Samsung. That's crazy. Here are beds. So I'm sleeping here with my boyfriend, and here is my mother's-in-law sleeping there. And this little TV. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go. Next morning, I slept well, no worries. And we ate the breakfast. And there was so much food. It was like so crazy. And of course, I had to get souvenirs. You know me, right? First destination, Seoul, Korea. While getting off the plane, a girl that I thought looked down on me the whole flight just told me I was so pretty. Leather seats, very spacious, few people. Oh baby, I was gone. Oh, I was so gone. We stayed at the Star Hostel, which is located near the Jongno-Oga station. And honestly, the price was so cheap, but the quality was so good. Like, we had the breakfast included and also the bedroom together. Like, Next day, we are at CU, a convenience store, and Alexi and my mother-in-law accidentally bought alcohol. I need to taste this. I heard that those ones are very good. But I really like also the banana, so I'm gonna taste later. For now, I'm just looking and maybe I'll come back because it's very close to your stuff. We came at the right time to see the change of guards at the Gyeongbokgung Palace. It's a historical reenactment held several times a day with translation for different Asian countries such as Japan or China. The guards are dressed in the colorful uniforms of the Joseon dynasty. They march, beat drums and gong, and symbolically exchange the palace keys.
이어서 교대 수문군의 배치가 이어지겠습니다.
The ritual follows precise military protocol from the past and serve both to honor Korean tradition and to provide a spectacle for visitors.
The actors are wearing the costume from the 15th century, which was manufactured based on various historical records. The gate guards are now checking their identification with passwords and ID tags and exchanging salutes.
국가유산성보호가 주최하고 국가유산진흥원이 주관하는 기념사를 제공하고 하루 4차례 시행됩니다. 관람객 여러분의 변함없는 서원과 많은 관심 부탁드립니다.
Presented by Korea Heritage Service and organized by Korea Heritage Agency.
After the ceremony, we walked through the palace.
Aquí, caminando por allá.
So we're at the Palace of Korea. I'll rewrite the name if I didn't say it correctly. But it's freaking hot right now. Oh, my piercing, my bad. The entry is free when you wear hanbok. Then we went to the souvenir shop. So we're gonna take 1 or 2 for souvenirs, either for me or my friends or family. So I don't know. I hope I chose the best. So we have a stamps. I do it on my shopping bag because I already did it. Not really visible, but it's better in my book. It was time to eat. And we bought a T-money card for the public transport. So right now we are heading to the folkloric museum. So we're still, it's still around the Palace Museum, but you know, it's something else. So I am with an umbrella because it's way too hot. So we bought one at 7-Eleven. Wait, on the way, we saw something that wasn't on the map, so I'm very curious. Oh, I'm curious, yeah! Okay, sorry, I'm gonna shut up a bit. We finally arrive at the National Folk Museum. Because the chilled exhibition was fully booked, we went for the permanent exhibition. Okay, so the kids, when he or her is born, will choose on his or her birthday table one of those objects, and depending of that, it will tell the future of that baby. So we have the paper, scroll and brush, the coins, the bow, the thread, the scissors, the spoon, and the rule for measuring fabric. So this practice is called the Doljabi. Yeah, Doljabi. Talk for shit because the people are there. So anyway, I think I'm gonna just... It was the guide. I'm sorry. Oh, my person. It was the guide. So these are the traditional clothes for the children. The socks, the shoes, and everything else. Bro, they're so loud. In this museum, there were a lot of activities and it was so fun, actually. I thought it would be boring, but it wasn't. Oui, c'est juste ça, ce sont des dents. There's also a sensory map for people that have a hard time with sounds or even lights, and I really liked it because I easily get overstimulated. After the museum, we took a little snack and rested. We used Neighbor app, which is the Korean Google map, to find a restaurant, but on the way we saw another restaurant that looked very, very yummy because there were a lot of people. So we tested it to see if it was worth it. And yes, it was really worth it. Guys, 10 out of 10. I also wanted to say that in Korea, it is very common for the pedestrian light to show how much time you have to cross the street. Like, sometimes it could be like 15 seconds, and then it also shows the time you have to wait for it to be green. Le petit Alexis est demandé à l'accueil. After eating, I went to the new fashion store chain located in Dongdaemun, and it's basically the Korean fashion, bags, etc. separated in multiple floors. So the one I went to was open from 11 a.m. to 5 a.m. the next day, which is literally mind-blowing. Petit pochaco. We're making bad financial decisions, but it's okay. Okay, we keep going on, bro. Okay. Okay, there's also the Sylvian families. I'm not very fan of it, but who cares? Oh? Sockets. Okay, it's so iconic. We took the little bottles. And yes, we are gonna be poor. So I found this bag on TikTok and I really like it. I'm hesitant with the other colors, but it's so cute. I reached the Chinese TikTok. Please find me this girl in live. Overstimulation final boss. This one is so cool. So cute.
Il est un peu petit quand même.
With the little animals in there. So cute. Yes, for you. Y'all told me skincare, but like, bro. I don't fucking know anything. I'll have to do my research. I'm coming back.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
Tiens, on va se donner. Oui, lui est pas mal.
Donc tu notes combien?
9 sur 10 parce que rien n'est parfait encore. Mais je le fais au
Et puis tu notes combien?
Sur combien?
10.
Sur 10.
Celui-là, 8 sur 10.
8 sur 10. Moi je mettrais quand même un bon 9 sur 10.
Voilà,
C'est
rien.
bien rafraîchissant, c'est sucré.
And finally, we tried the Hershey's Choco Bites, which was not really our cup of tea, to be honest. It was really soft, and I just didn't want it to be soft. I thought it would be like crunch, but it wasn't. And that's all for day 1 and 2 in Korea. Bye!
Vas-y. Okay, girly. Are you gay?